Hi, this is Dr. Namrata. Today in this video, I will tell you about Thuja Occidentalis mother tincture for your warts. So, if you have the problem of warts, if you have the problem of corn, polyps, tubercles or any types of skin outgrowth, this video is going to be very informative for you because today I will tell you about Thuja Occidentalis mother tincture uses, its indications and its doses and the benefits of this medicine and how can you take this medicine. So video is very informative. Watch till then, stay with me. Let's get started. Before starting the video, if you haven't not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my upcoming videos. Let's discuss about Thuja Occidentalis mother tincture. Thuja Occidentalis mother tincture is prepared from the leaves and twig of the plant which is called as the Arbor vitae. The common and botanical name of the Thuja Occidentalis is the Arbor vitae. It is a plant. This medicine is prepared from the plant kingdom, vegetable kingdom. It is a very effective and excellent medicine for warts like condition, any types of skin outgrowth. This medicine have the excellent result. Let's discuss about in short about what is wart. Wart is a viral infection which is caused by the human papilloma virus. It is a infection spread by the direct contact by sharing other personal things like bedsheet, towel, shaving blade, razors, by shaking hands. And also if you have the poor immunity in all these condition, you are more prone for the viral infection that is called the warts. And also if you are diabetic, your blood sugar level is raised, in this condition you becomes more prone for your warts infection. Basically the warts are the skin outgrowth and it is a various types, like warts may be flat type or round shape or single, maybe multiple or pedunculated or sharpie. All these types of warts, all type of warts can be found on your eyelids, on your nose, on your lips, on your hand, on your feet, on your stomach, on your back. Even warts can be found on your genitals. Talks about the symptoms of the wart can be found. There may be not any types of symptoms can be found. Sometimes there may be the slight itching, slight burning, sometimes there may be the bleeding, and sometimes there will be the serious discharge from the warts. And wart can be spread by plucking it or by sharing hands to others, and also it is spread by the sharing others personal things, bedsheet, towel, razor, shaving blades. So if you have the problem of the wart, you have to avoid all others personal things, and also you have to maintain your immunity, and also you have to maintain your personal hygiene. Let's talk about the Thuja Occidentalis homeopathic mother tincture for the warts. Thuja is a very excellent medicine. It has the excellent results for curing your wart permanently, or if you have the problem of the recurrent chronic problem of warts, Thuja works excellent. Thuja have the excellent result on curing your warts. So let's talk about how to take this medicine. You have to take 10 drops of Thuja in 1/4 cup of water. Take this medicine thrice in a day. You can take this medicine for 2 months, and also you can also take this medicine externally. Let's talk about how to apply Thuja externally. You have to take 1 spoon of water and take 7 to 8 drops of Thuja mother tincture in it and mix it well and apply this solution on your warts. And you have to avoid applying on your eyelids, on your nose, on your lips, on your genitals. You have to apply this medicine for 2 to 3 months. Definitely you will get very good result. So this was the discussion about the Thuja Occidentalis for the uses for the warts. I hope you will like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.